Hello, how you doing? So today we're going to make a really simple, beautiful lamb and potato stew. Okay, so what we have here is 1 kg or 2.2 pound of lovely lamb. This is leg of lamb, no bone, tiny amount of fat in there, but just a really beautiful leg cut of lamb. So I'm starting this off with some olive oil. I've got about 4 tablespoons of olive oil in there. You're going to need a big pot or a pan. I'll just show you in this wok so you can kind of see it a bit clearer. In that goes. At this stage, we're just going to add salt and pepper. I'm going to go for about 6 minutes on a medium heat. So we've got a bit of colour on that meat, nowhere near cooked yet, but it's on its way. Now I'm going to add in like a tablespoon or a heaped tablespoon or what we call a knob of butter. Just going to melt that down. Back in a moment. So that butter's just melted down. I'm now going to add 2 tablespoons of flour. I'm using a wheat plain flour, and we're just going to mix this in, stay on this medium heat. We're going to go for about 5 minutes. You want to cook the flour, otherwise you're going to end up with a very sort of floury taste. If you cook it out, you'll get a nice kind of shortbready kind of flavor to it, which is what we want. So I'm now going to add 100 grams or about half a cup roughly of tomato paste. That's going to go in, and we're going to cook that out again about another 4 to 5 minutes. When I say 100 grams, it's one of those small kind of Tetra Pak kind of things. Okay, 2 cups of onions and about 2 tablespoons of garlic. You can adjust that if you want. We're going to go for about another 4 minutes. Okay, time to get some herbs in. Today I'm going to be using some oregano, about 2 teaspoons, and I'm going to put in a stick, like an inch or so, of cinnamon. But think about cumin, rosemary, of course, goes great with lamb, doesn't it? Tarragon, you can take it in any direction you want. I'll be back in 3 minutes. Okay, I'm going to add some stock now. You're going to need enough stock to cover it and a little bit more, because we're going to cook this out, and plus we're going to be adding more things to it. I'm using lamb stock. You could use chicken stock, vegetable stock. It's entirely up to you. Let it go medium heat about 15 to 20 minutes. Give it a stir every now and then. So I'm going to add 3 cups of potatoes, cut these fairly small, 2 cups of carrots. Think about mushrooms, celery, or any vegetables that you like actually. You can see that the stock combined with the flour has made it really nice and kind of velvety and beautiful, thickened it up. Now you can adjust this however you like. So you can have it quite thick or quite thin. As we're cooking the potatoes and carrots, this is what we want to do now. It's going to take about 8 or 9 minutes. Adjust it how you like for thickness. Okay, that's it, job done. I think that's absolutely wonderful. I like it kind of at this thickness. Really, really delightful. Check it for salt and pepper. If you want, get some parsley in there or some other fresh herb, but that's delicious. Let me get that on a plate. And there you have it, super, super easy. Really, really, really delicious, this one. I hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love.